Hey, do you like indie animation? Well, I have good news for you. Hi, I'm Violet. Here at Coca-Cola, we have a special project that's been in the works for over a year at this point. Inspired by projects like Deltarune and the Amazing Digital Circus, we bring to you Collin, That's Life. This indie animation project is about a Candleman show host named Collin Candlewick. And after finding out his show has a chance of cancellation due to his low ratings, he gets a bit desperate and attempts to save his show by doing whatever it takes. And you might be wondering, how will he possibly save his show? Oh, boo-hoo! Of course, by being the nicest boy to ever exist to all of his special guests. Oh shit, wait a minute, wrong script. He actually saves his show with murder. And all of his special guests get to witness, or rather experience, murder. Oh, you also want to see the designs? You do? You really do? Oh, well, here they are. My little babies. They're perfect. Sucks one of them might get murdered. Now that we know the characters, why don't we see who voices them? We have Cash Velasquez as the main flam himself, Collin Candlewick. Stefano Bellardo as the super rich, extremely kind, and talented actor Mug Muckington. Playing as their boss, Mr. TV Talk, we have... And finally, playing Bob, we have the one and only Pomni Crazed Man himself. Puppet Review Stuff!
Oh, Pomni, what the f***?
Also, a special thanks to all my friends on the screen right now for their contributions to the project so far, and to Sky Creates for the thumbnail of this video. And, very soon, I plan on streaming my work of the project, so stay tuned for that, and make sure you keep an eye on my socials for any updates, including Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And hey, if you are interested in working on this weird little passion project for money, then we are currently looking for jobs on screen right now. To reach me, you can either use my email or DM me on Discord. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for checking out my project. I hope you stay tuned to see what comes next for it. And remember, keep your eye on the clock and have a good night.
What is this? Is that a gubby?